hours after returning to India, Prime Minister Modi is set to start another journey, this time on the domestic front. He will be spending the weekend in West Bengal and Assam, inaugurating key projects and addressing public gatherings. First stop would be to West Bengal, where he would be laying the foundation stone for highway projects worth over 3,200 crores and is also expected to address the public. Now, these projects are expected to be significantly boosting regional connectivity, particularly between Kolkata and Siliguri. Later in the day, the Prime Minister would be travelling to Assam to inaugurate the new terminal building at the Guwahati International Airport, followed by a walkthrough and another public address. He will also visit the Boragaon to pay tribute and will be travelling to Dibrugarh to perform a Bhumi Puja, where he is scheduled to address another gathering. Now, at the airport event, the Prime Minister is also expected to visit Assam BJP headquarters, and a road show that is also being planned along the route for what is now being believed to be his first ever visit to the state BJP office. Around 1 lakh party workers are expected to line up at the route. As far as in the state of West Bengal is concerned, first up, let's talk about how the TMC, the ruling TMC, have been now reacting to the Prime Minister's upcoming visit. TMC MP Kunal Ghose says that the Prime Minister has begun with his political tour with the upcoming assembly elections in West Bengal and in Assam in mind. He's added that sometimes it is a Prime Minister and other times the Home Minister, but such visits, he claimed, have little impact on the people.
Honorable Prime Minister is coming to West Bengal, nothing new, because when election comes, then this political travelling starts on behalf of Bhajpa. कभी प्रधानमंत्री जी आते हैं, कभी स्वराष्ट्र होम मिनिस्टर आते हैं, कभी पूरा देश से भाजपा का जो लीडरशिप है वो आते हैं, लेकिन उसका कोई इम्पैक्ट बंगाल का जनता का ऊपर, बंगाल के ऊपर नहीं होता है.
Well, let's get you this another breaking update along the international border.